Hi, welcome back to our little family homestead. I'm Keisha, and today I'm actually going to be showing you how to get some more extra green onions without going to the store. That's right, you can actually get more green onions by simply just cutting the ones that you have and growing them in water. Now, we did go to the store. We tried to pick some with some fairly nice roots already. These are organic ones, but the roots should grow in water. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them because we needed some green onions anyway to go with our food. And we're just going to cut them right around about here, as you can see. And so that way they should start growing back. And these grow fairly quickly. Okay, so now, just tear that off of there. I'm just going to place them in this old strawberry jelly jar that we had strawberry jelly in. We're going to place them inside the green onions and try to get them to stand up as much as possible. Might have to adjust them. This one is falling over and it's causing trouble. Okay, well, I got them to stand up the best I could. We're just going to go ahead and fill this with some warm water. And you want to just fill it just until also you wanted to cover the roots, but you don't want it too high. And if I can just get these to just kind of stand up and not topple over so much, that will be great. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to set them over there on our shelving, and we're going to give you guys a daily update so you can see what they do in the water. This is incredible, guys. Stay tuned. And also, you want to make sure that you change the water every 2 to 3 days.
Hey everyone, okay, this is day 2, about 12 to 18 hours later, and we have our green onions that we got from the store that we cut. So as you can see, we've already got pretty good growth, healthy looking new onions, and we did get the organic kind. Okay, as you can see right here, got some good growth going on right here, looking green, looking healthy, and we'll check back in tomorrow and see what we got growing for tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's the day 3 update. Got green onions from the store cut. And as you can see, they've grown a little bit more, gotten a little darker. Water is starting to look a little murky. May need to change this tomorrow. As you can see, we got some good growth. We've got a couple little stems right there starting, and this is only 3 days in right now. Looking a little darker, looking healthy. Pretty quick turnaround. Before we know it, we'll have some good green onions. We'll keep you updated. We'll be back tomorrow for day 4 and see how much I've grown.
Okay, so this is day 4 of our green onion update. And as you see here, they're doing really well. And then they're growing really nicely. As you can see, I did change the water out to give them new fresh water. These really don't take that long to grow. Pretty soon we'll be having us a harvest of green onion here in the next, probably I give it a few days or so, hopefully. But we'll see. But we just wanted to give you that quick update. Hey, so it's day 5 and we're checking on the green onions, and they have made a really good amount of progress, actually. If you can see, I don't know if you can tell right here, but and they feel already nice and crisp. This has grown a good amount, and basically it seems like we're well on our way to getting a nice harvest of these organic green onions.
Okay, we're on day 6 of the green onions. So far, this is what we got right here. If they can focus. And as you can see right here, got some pretty good growth. Growth now from when we first started this. Got 2 developing right here. Looking pretty green and healthy. They are developing pretty good roots if you wanted to pot this in soil. But we're just doing a water experiment right now. 6 days, we got a nice healthy looking green onion growth going. And we'll return tomorrow to see how much more it's growing from here. Alright everyone, day 7, green onion update. So far this is what it's looking like. Nice green, healthy looking green onions. And as you can see, root all the way up. Got pretty good growth so far in about 7 days. Water's still looking pretty clear. So we're going to probably go ahead and leave that like that. Yeah. We're going to check on these again tomorrow and see how they're doing.
Hi, so it's day 10 of the green onion update. And as you see, they grew really nice. We're sorry we had to end up not filming a few days of it. We got a little busy, but you know, life happens. You can tell they're nice and vibrant and green. They feel nice and crisp. I can tell that basically they're pretty much harvest ready. So yeah, we're just gonna probably go ahead and harvest these. Now you obviously just cut it. We hope you enjoyed this green onion experiment and update. All right, and then until next time, see ya.